Vehophobia is a fear of driving, and if you're watching this video, the chances are you've probably found it because you've got driving anxiety or a fear of driving. Just in case you don't know who I am and what I do, my name's Paul and I've been a professional driving instructor in the UK for over 20 years. I'm also a professional therapist and I work online with people all over the world to help them overcome their fear of driving. A fear of driving can present itself in many different ways. It can be a fear of driving on highways, of driving over bridges, of driving at high speed, of parking, of rain. It really does show itself up in many different ways. And in case you haven't seen my other videos before, I'll say what I always say in these videos. Fear of driving has nothing to do with driving. I look around the internet and I'll see loads of people who have these stupid videos and websites about how to overcome vehophobia, and they don't know what they're doing. I've just looked at one and they were talking about check your tyres before you drive and check your windscreen wipers. I'm not joking, they actually say that's how you get rid of the fear of driving, to look at your tyres and know that they're safe, and to check your windscreen wipers. That stuff is nonsense. Most people who claim to be experts on this topic haven't got a clue what they are doing. I've been doing this for over 20 years. I've taught over 1,000 people to drive. I've been in the car with people who have this problem. And if you want to see the results of what I do, go and look on the results page on my website and you'll see videos from people I've worked with who have overcome their fear of driving. So if you have vehophobia, what can you do? Well, you've only really got two options. The first option is you can try and get help for free. Now, we're going to discount anything like driving lessons. That doesn't work. People who say they had vehophobia and they got rid of it through driving lessons, they didn't really have it in the first place. A lot of people say that they've got anxiety, but they haven't. They've just given themselves this label and they were maybe a bit scared of driving. But if you get rid of it just by going out in a car, that isn't true vehophobia. To get rid of it properly, you've got two options. One is you can look around online for free help. Now, I've made some free hypnosis tracks which I'll link to in this video, and they can help to some degree, but they are unlikely to get rid of it. The second option, which is really the only thing you can do to get rid of it properly, is to work with a professional such as myself. Many people are hesitant to contact me because they think, well, I've done some of these tracks online and it doesn't work. Let me make this clear. Working with me one-to-one online is nothing like a hypnosis track. I'm not going to tell you to relax and be calm and close your eyes and think of this and that. It's nothing like that. We just talk to each other. We have a normal conversation and the problem will go. Again, go and have a look on my results page to see people I've worked with. Not everybody wants to be put on there. Understandably, many people want to keep this private. But I do always ask everyone I work with to please make me a video and let me know how well it worked for them. So that's what vehophobia is and how you get rid of it. And I know some people will be thinking, well, I just wanted to get a quick, easy answer. I can't give you a quick, easy answer because to get rid of vehophobia, you need to work with a professional like myself. Everybody always wants a quick fix, like you've just got to eat a banana or you've got to jump up and down in the air 3 times and say a magic word. It doesn't work like that. To get rid of the problem, you actually have to do the same thing as how you got it. And the way you got it is by actually using hypnosis. Whether you know it or not, that's how you got vehophobia. Because you see, if you think about it, does it make any sense for you to be scared of driving? Well, no, because other people aren't, so why are you? The thing is, you've actually hypnotized yourself into having this fear. And it's really funny when people say, I don't believe in hypnosis, I don't go for all that. And then they go out and they're screaming when they drive a car. Why do you think you're screaming? You're imagining something to be true that isn't. It's just like when you see people in a hypnosis stage show, when you've probably seen this where they go up on a stage and someone will say, when you open your eyes, you won't be able to remember your name, and they can't remember the name. you've done the same thing with driving. You have given yourself vehophobia by using hypnosis. And hypnosis is not this magical, mystical thing everyone thinks it is. It's a natural state that we all do many times every day. If you're thinking, well, will it work on me? It's already worked on you. You've already done it thousands of times in your life. And some of the best proof of that is the fact you have a fear of driving. Looking at tyres, looking at the windscreen, changing your windscreen wipers. Oh, come on. I couldn't stop laughing when I read that. You overcome a fear of driving by changing your windscreen wipers. I'll even put a link to it in the description if I can, because that was so funny I couldn't believe it. So if you have a fear of driving, just know that you can and you will get rid of it. All you need to do is contact me. If you want to check out my other videos first, go and watch my other videos. I've got loads on here and you can go and watch them. Get as much free help as you can. But ultimately, if you really truly want to get rid of it, you can only do that by working with me one-to-one. So check out these other videos on the screen now. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.